Hello everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Cousin YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how can you make money trading meme coins with Twitter tracker strategy. Personally, I think this is one of the best strategies because if for example like Elon Musk tweets a random meme, someone 100% will make in the same second a meme coin about it, like on Pump Fun. And if you're quick to react to it, you can make a great profit. For example, Elon Musk retweeted a meme one day ago, which name is Kekius Maximus. When Elon Musk retweeted this meme, there were many new meme coin creations on Pump Fun based with the same meme, and first 3 instantly bonded to Radium. But what a lot of people didn't check, that there was an already OG meme coin with the same name which was already at Radium. As you can see, currently it's sitting at 733,000 market cap. But right here, before Elon Musk retweeted, the coin was at 37,000 market cap. As you can see, Elon Musk retweeted this at 4:05 in the morning, and it instantly pumped. Trading like this, it's all about speed. It pumped to 4.5 million in 45 minutes, where you could made 120x in just 45 minutes. Trading like this, you have to put your slippage much higher than what you usually use, because the volume in the first minutes was crazy. You don't want to be in these situations where your slippage fails, due to the price changing too quickly. The volume in 1 hour after the Elon Musk tweet was at 5.6 million, which is crazy what power Elon has by just tweeting. Another example here is the coin called the Doge Father. Elon Musk tweeted this picture that he's the Doge Father, and the coin went to 11 million in literally minutes. The top trader from this coin made 200k, another one made 200k, 150, you get the idea. If you catch a coin early like this from an Elon Musk tweet, you can make life-changing money. Most of these top traders use the Twitter tracker tool, and I will show you how can you set it up. To use this Twitter track tool, you have to use Discord. So if you don't have a Discord, then make one. First step is to create a new group. So press here, press create my own, press for me and my friends. I will call this group, for example, Twitter tracker. Then press create. Now make a new channel called Twitter tracker. When you have done all these steps, go to the website called TweetShift.com. Now press invite to the server. Now select which server you're adding the bot. For me it's the Twitter tracker, and then press continue and authorize. Now when the bot is added to your Discord server, you can go to your Discord server and check if the bot is added. As you can see, TweetShift has just joined. Now go ahead and press on dashboard. Again authorize. Here you can see which servers the bot is added to. To use the servers you have to pay for premium, but it's only $3 a month and you get a free trial. When you bought a premium subscription, go back to your Discord server and try to add, for example, Elon Musk account to your tracker. Write the command follow. On feed source put, for example, Elon Musk. On channel put where you want to see the posts appearing. And on links and reposts press true. On ping I will use everyone. When you press enter, it will show you something like this. So press click here to continue. Press visit site. Again authorize. To use this Twitter tracker, you'll need to input the cookie numbers associated with your Twitter account. So first you have to download the cookie editor extension, so press right here. Press on the browser you're using currently. So I'm using Chrome. Press add to Chrome. And add extension. Now go to Twitter and open the cookie editor extension. Press allow on this site. And press right here export. And press on the first one, JSON. Now go back and paste the cookie address right here. And then submit. And now you can select which Twitter account you want to track. Press on add new. Right here you can add a nickname what you want to track. I'm gonna track Elon Musk Twitter, for example. Here you can select which channel you want the tracking tweets go to. Here I'll recommend you to check everything. Then press ping everyone and then press start. Now you gotta wait for some time while the tracker bot is added. The tweets will be appearing like this, and you can add up to 400 Twitter accounts to track. Most of the top traders who make crazy money trading meme coins use this tool. This is a big advantage if you use it while trading meme coins. Alright, that will be it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next upcoming videos.